Want to unlock the hidden power of your network within Follow Up Boss and close more deals? Let's dive right into how to add and manage relationships in Follow Up Boss, making it easier than ever to connect the dots between your contacts. First, navigate to the contact profile you want to start with. This is the person whose relationship you'll be defining. Scroll down until you find the relationship section on their profile. It's usually located near the bottom, below their contact information and activity history. Click on the Add Relationship button. A window will pop up where you can define the type of relationship. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu with various relationship types. Choose the one that best describes the connection between your current contact and the person you're about to link. Common options include spouse, partner, referral source, employee, employer, and more. Next, search for the contact you want to connect them with. Start typing their name in the search bar and Follow Up Boss will automatically pull up matching contacts from your database. Select the correct contact from the search results. You'll now see both contacts displayed with the chosen relationship type clearly indicated. Finally, click the Save button now. When you view either of these contacts' profiles, you'll see the established relationship displayed in their respective relationship sections. This allows you to quickly understand their connections and tailor your communication accordingly. By leveraging the relationships feature, you gain valuable insights into your network, personalize your interactions, and ultimately, improve your chances of closing deals.